In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome to visit daily Dice reward websites and stay organized while claiming browser-based promo links. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device, whichever you normally use for quick daily browsing. Using Chrome is helpful because it makes it easy to keep your favorite pages saved, revisit them quickly, and manage multiple reward pages in one place. Once Chrome is open, go to the daily Dice reward websites you normally use. These are the pages that collect or publish active reward links you can claim each day through your browser. As you visit these sites, take a moment to make sure they are the active reward aggregators you want to rely on regularly. The goal here is to build a short, dependable list of sources that are updated often and easy to check every day. When you find the ones that work well for you, bookmark them in Chrome. This is an important time saver, because instead of searching for them again each day, you can open them right away from your bookmarks bar or bookmark menu. If you use this routine often, it can also help to keep these bookmarks grouped together in one folder so your daily reward process feels quick and organized. That way, your preferred sites are always in one place and easier to open in sequence. Once your active reward aggregator sites are bookmarked, begin going through the available daily quick wins. Work through them carefully and claim each browser-based promo link that is currently available. Since these links can expire or change from day to day, it's a good idea to claim them as soon as you see valid ones listed. Move through each page methodically so you don't miss any rewards. As you claim the links, pay attention to whether they open properly and register successfully. If a link has already expired or doesn't work, simply move on to the next one and continue through the list. The main objective is to complete the quick wins and collect all of the browser-based rewards that are still active for the day. This process is simple, but doing it consistently can make a big difference over time. Opening Chrome, visiting your saved reward sites, and claiming all available promo links creates a smooth daily routine that takes only a few minutes once everything is set up. Keep your bookmarks updated, use your most reliable sources, and complete the available quick wins each day to make the most of the rewards.